In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a personal account in Wise. First things first, make sure you have your internet browser open and ready to go. Then, navigate to the Wise homepage. Once there, have a look around. You'll notice several options, but for our purposes today, we'll delve straight into personal account setup. Begin by selecting your email provider. This is an important step because it links your Wise account to your email, ensuring smooth communication and notifications. Once you've chosen and confirmed your email, you'll be presented with the option to select between a personal account and a business account. While both options have their place, today we'll focus on setting up a personal account because it's perfect for individuals looking to manage and move their money efficiently. Next, you'll need to specify your country. Head over to the drop-down menu and select Jamaica. This selection is crucial as it tailors the account to the specifics of banking and transactions in Jamaica, ensuring you get the best exchange rates and services tailored to your needs. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and click the Continue button. At this stage, you'll need to enter your phone number. This acts as an extra layer of security and a means for verification. Wise will send a code to this number, which is an essential step in verifying your identity and protecting your account. After entering your number, click on Send Verification Code, and in just a few moments, keep an eye on your messages for that all-important code. Once you have the verification code, input it when prompted. This will take you further in the setup process. You'll then see prompts on your screen guiding you through the remaining steps. Follow these prompts diligently until you reach the part where you can create your password. Your password is your key to your Wise account, so make sure it's strong, unique, and something only you would know. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its security. Once your password is set, you're almost done. You can now log in to your freshly created Wise account using your email and new password. Congratulations, you're now ready to explore what Wise offers with your personal account. This service allows you to send and receive money internationally at lower rates, making it ideal for managing your finances effectively. Invest a little time exploring the features and familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make your future transactions smoother and even more efficient. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get started with Wise, tailored to your needs in Jamaica. Thank you for joining me today. As always, feel free to leave questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.